My reaction when I saw my first bill is shocking. I never even thinking I'm going to pay nothing for my electricity in my lifetime. Hi, I'm John. I'm living in Concord for about 15 years. I have a family of 4. The first inspired me to get a solar battery is environment friendly and affordable price. I feel really good to be in control of my battery because I can charge it at peak hour and use the electricity generated by my solar panel. The electricity bill I pay in summer almost nothing and only a little bit in winter time. I chose solar battery group because it has the best price in the market. My experience of the installation day is wonderful. The people just come to my house, everything installed without my involvement. I would recommend a solar battery group because the technicians is very friendly. The service is wonderful. When you call them, they answer you immediately, and all the work done very smooth, which make your life very easy.